Hello guys, are you feeling neck pain, stiffness first thing in the morning, or working on the decks and you're feeling pain in the neck? Then I have this exercise routine that involves 3 stretches and 3 strengthening exercises that you can do to prevent your neck pain getting worse or treat your neck pain. Without any delay, let's check it out. My name is Rakesh and I'm a physiotherapist in Alberta in Edmonton area. So I've been seeing neck pain patients, and mostly what works with this pattern is not only stretching or not only strengthening, but combination of both, because some muscle needs stretching and some muscles need strengthening, and if you combine it you get a good result. So let's dive into it. First, stretches. So the first stretch is upper trapezius stretch. This muscle is a big muscle that is on your shoulder area, and it is inserting in the neck vertebrae. When it is tight, it can pull your neck joints and it can affect your neck facet joints. So how do you stretch it is you stand tall or sit nice and tall. You can bring one arm behind, so you're bringing it behind, and then you're going to bend your head towards the opposite side. And when you do it, you're going to feel stretch in the upper trap area right here, and we are going to hold this stretch for at least 10 to 20 seconds, and then we're going to repeat on the other side. Here the stretch part is important. If you feel a stretch, hold it. If you feel a pain, we don't need to push it too hard. So this is the upper trap stretch, can be done 10 reps to 20-30 seconds hold. Next stretch is the levator scap stretch. Levator scap is a postural muscle. When you are sitting forward quite a bit and you're doing head forward position on the computer or driving, this is the muscle gets tight and it can create headaches as well. Now, how do you stretch it is, again, sitting or standing nice and tall. Then we're gonna first rotate the head towards the opposite side. So you look towards the opposite side. And then as you look towards the opposite side, we are going to bend the nose towards the armpit. And when you bend the nose towards the armpit, you're going to stretch the levator scap muscle, which is attached with your shoulder blade as well as your C-spine joints. So now this stretch are very important. Again, holding for 20 seconds is good idea because it will give you good relief. Again, if you feel pain, we're going to take it easy. Repeat this on the both sides 10 times or 5 times, at least once a day. And if you can keep this routine going, this can really get rid of your neck pain. Third stretch is scaleni stretch. We got anterior, medial and posterior scaleni. These scaleni are the one of the muscle that is attached with the first rib or the cage here, and then it is very tense. So when this is the purely side bending, so when you are going to do this stretch, make sure we don't feel the pain because this can also affect some joints. So what we are doing is we are going to rotate gently on the one side, and then we are going to bend the neck backward. And when we do this stretch, we want to make sure that we have relaxed shoulders and we're not elevating or lifting them, and having a good posture while doing it. This can be done while you're doing desk work or driving, or if you feel you're having headaches, this can also help. Sometimes scaleni also can create compression on the nose coming out of the brachial plexus in the chest area and goes in the arm, and you feel numbness, then this can also be something you can do as well. Now, these are the 3 stretches. If you get a good routine about the stretches, then we want to get into some strengthening. Now, strengthening again is to correct the posture and the muscles that you don't use, and not all the time your muscles are weak. So the strengthening part is more activation of the muscles rather than making them stronger, because certain muscles don't activate while you are sitting for a long time or you're in a bad posture. So when you activate them, they actually relax and it helps your symptoms. So first exercise is C-spine retraction. So this is the called chin tuck exercise. This activates deep cervical flexor muscle group, and this can help increase the mobility in the extension. So what you do is you stand nice and tall, or you can lay down to make it better comfortable. You kind of create a little chin tuck, and then we're going to push backward. And when you do that, you might feel some numbing sensation too, so don't push too hard, but you can do this for a few second hold and 10 to 20 reps. Now, strengthening needs higher reps. This is being said a lot of time. If you have a pain or numbness, maybe decrease the reps. Chin tuck is very important for stabilizing the cervical spine. Big muscles tightens up, and then these small muscles cannot keep up and they get tight, so you are activating them. This is one of the reason this exercise is one of the best exercise for stability. Second exercise is not in the neck area, it is in the shoulder blade area, because when we have shoulder blade muscles tight, it is going to directly affect your upper traps and the neck muscles. So this is called shoulder retraction exercise. So what you do is, sitting nice and tall or standing nice and tall, you can pinch your shoulder blades and hold it for a few seconds. And when you hold it, make sure we do this for a good amount of contraction, so that way you're actually activating the back muscles. And this can be done 10 reps, 10-second hold, and you're activating and holding it. Now, if you feel like it is not enough, we can add some resistance band. So you can create a loop resistance band and you can utilize it to make it nice and good contraction in the shoulder blade. The retractor muscles are the middle fiber of traps, and rhomboids are the retractor muscles. In case you're getting shoulder pain, this exercise is also very good as well. The third strengthening exercise is a cervical extensor strengthening. The muscle that we mostly feel in the back side of the neck is the extensor group. So if you are feeling pain there, meaning those muscles are overworking, overloading, and then you are gonna feel a lot of pain there, or it can radiate down or up, and it can create headaches and the neck pain. Now, how do we relax them is by contracting them. You can also stretch them, but sometimes stretching doesn't work, because when you contract them, they can actually relax and activate. So what we do is we go against the wall, or you can lay down on the back. When you do that, we're going to do the chin tuck and then press backward. When you press backward, you are activating those extensor muscle group. This chin tuck is only optional because you are also able to combine these two exercises same time. Now, if you do this and if you feel pain or numbness in there, maybe there is some joints involved that is causing the nerve compression, then we need to take easy on it or decrease the repetitions. Now, these are the three exercises for strengthening, and the first three is stretches. If you combine this every day for any neck pain issues, this can be very beneficial. If you have issues like a discogenic injury, or if you have a radiating nerves, then maybe check the other videos out. Might not be beneficial with just these movements. And if you have a question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.